And bodymore, we bodymore. We don't give a fuck about no dirty whore. Knock goons at your front door. And bodymore, we bodymore. We don't give a fuck about no dirty whore. Knock goons at your front door. And bodymore, we bodymore. We don't give a fuck about no dirty whore. Knock goons at your front door. And bodymore, nigga, we bodymore. Don't want to come to my town, because if you a clown, you get shot down. Then we bury you under the ground. What up at the place that I shot them all in the face? Don't come and zone 15, it's not safe. My God, get you erased. These hoes a big plastic waste. Mess with the bell, he will get a kill. I smoke tree, but I don't pop no pill. My bullets heat them up like a grill. You can call my rap, but no more drill. Niggas claim they tough, but they get beat up still. Put the 40 to your nose, leave the red like a rose. Fuck the ops, feel my bros, act tough, get exposed. Leave his sister buying phone, trying to survive in the cold. By his face like a mole, my eyes more frozen than the North Pole. I don't like no dots, because there's such some ops. Heat them all up with motherfucking shots. And bodymore, we bodymore. We don't give a fuck about no dirty whore. Knock goons at your front door. And bodymore, we bodymore. We don't give a fuck about no dirty whore. Knock goons at your front door. And bodymore, we bodymore. We don't give a fuck about no dirty whore. Knock goons at your front door. We bodymore, we don't like no damn whore. Hit your grinding with a 44. No money, I send my goons at your door. Bodymore will make you cry. If you're not built for it, you will die. Trap hard, Empire Heist. Roll out all them niggas on the bikes. Bitch didn't know that's a be more thing. I'm a be more king. Never giving these hoes a ring. So 15, get you smoked. Trapping all day, so we don't be broke. If a nigga get mad, he will shoot your dad. Put him in a body bag. Now your whole entire day is bad. Now you crying cause you sad. We more gangster than Zone 6. Nigga, I'm not white. Nigga, I'm mixed. Wake up from my bed, cause I heard 3 shots through a nigga head. Now that nigga dead. Call yourself a blood, but you're not dripping red. Cook them up like bread. If you think it's funny, you get annoyed till you tell me better give me my fucking money. And bodymore, we bodymore. We don't give a fuck about no dirty whore. Knock goons at your front door. And bodymore, we bodymore. We don't give a fuck about no dirty whore. Knock goons at your front door.